Hello and welcome back to another episode of Teaching Partner. Today I am introducing an AI assistant designed specifically to support teachers. It helps you quickly create full lesson presentations and handouts that are aligned with your curriculum, streamlining your preparation work so you can focus more time on your students. So let's explore. So this platform is called Chalkie AI. Don't worry, I will share the link in the description. So first of all, let's see the pricing. So you can see here with $0, no credit card details required, you can create 10 full length lessons, but you can also generate unlimited worksheets and you can export to Google Slide and PPT. So get started. So you can continue with Google account. I'm continuing with my Google account. Just click here. So you can see very decent interface is here for Chalkie. You can create single lesson, lesson series and worksheet. So let's try a single lesson first. Need to click here, enter your topic. So I wrote the 1991 Gulf War. Let's select the level. I'm selecting grade 11. Let me take slides 10. You can select English language, UK. So you can give additional instructions according to your requirement. So we need to continue. If you have a pro version, you can also add a specific curriculum. I'm using a free version, so just click continue. If you have already existing resource, you can add here by just pasting a URL here. You can upload a file, import from Drive or upload from URL. I'm not using anything here, so I'm going to continue. So you can select the theme and you can see it's very colorful and attractive. So let me select some dark theme, press generate. Wow, you can see here an amazing lesson has been generated along with the pictures and very specific and precise according to my requirement. Super amazing. It's very quick, very fast and accurate. So you can see 11 slides has been generated. You can create new slides from AI. Also you can add activity. You can see here. Let's try to add one activity. Let's say image matching. Oh, wow, this is really awesome. You can see the match the word activity has been generated. Move back. You can also create lesson series. Let's try one worksheet. So you need to pick a template first. I'm choosing this first one. Click here. So I wrote technological advancement and social change. Need to select a grade. I'm selecting year 12. I wrote give real life examples. You can add according to your requirement and press continue. So let's select that question level. I'm selecting moderate. Wow, you can see here the worksheet is ready. Technological advancement and social change according to my requirement. So this platform is very simple, very user friendly. It generates the resources in seconds. I tried and found it very fruitful. So please try and share your experience in the comment section. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this video is very useful for you. So thank you very much. If you have any question, query, or you need any support for making a decision, don't hesitate to write an email to theteachingpartner@gmail.com. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Goodbye.